All right, so right now I'm just sauteing the pancetta with mushrooms, and it's really important to have mise because right now we have gnocchi boiling, and as this is coming up, floating to the top, and when it's done, I'm gonna put them automatically in here, which gives me a little bit less of the water, and that's gonna translate into like a little bit of the sauce. This is traditionally a dry kind of dish, but you want a little bit. Before the video was started, I also started the pan with the oil and I fried sage. So in the pan itself, there's this like oil infused with sage. And it's a really quick dish. You have to have everything ready because it goes fast. And then after all that's done, add your butternut squash that's already roasted, seasoned with a little bit of salt and white balsamic vinaigrette. Vinegar, I mean? Not vinaigrette. I don't know what it's named. Toss. And you either can put it in a bowl and store it for eating later, or you can eat it now. And I like to sprinkle a little bit of the seasoning and keep a few for garnish. So the calorie count for this is 610. Which is ideal for a person that is living the, 1,800 calories diet. So yeah, so for a dinner, and a lot of times it's so filling.